For more Bollywood gossips, hit the bell icon and never miss an update from Movies Adda. Bachchan siblings Shweta and Abhishek recently graced Karan Johar's controversial chat show Coffee with Karan 6. And here we noticed that the usually sassy and bold Kejo was holding back and being extra polite to the two. Now this made us wonder what could be the reason for this. Well, and now we got to know that this layer of politeness was because Jaya Bachchan had warned Karan not to ask her kids any controversial questions. That's not all, she had even instructed her kids to be firm and not get provoked into saying things which would make them regret later. Maybe Jaya too is playing safe after the backlash received by Hardik Pandya for his derogatory comments on Karan's show. Well, Jaya Bachchan's warning seems to have worked, and while Karan too was quite cautious, the responses of the Bachchan siblings too seemed calculated and politically correct. So what do you have to say about this? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. As the shooting of Salman Khan's upcoming film Bharat is inching towards an end, everyone is hooked on to every small bit of information regarding the film. Sneak peeks from the sets, information about the star cast, and a lot more have made the fans desperate to get a glimpse of the film. Well, but for this, we have to wait till 5th of June when the film releases. But that's too long, and so everyone was waiting for the teaser of the film to unveil. Ever since filmmaker Ali Abbas Zafar had hinted that the teaser would be unveiled on Republic Day, we were all waiting with bated breath. And now that the teaser is finally out, we're all delighted at the emotional kaleidoscope unleashed. Fans are so delighted with the teaser that everyone has gone crazy. Indeed, seeing such an amazing teaser has truly left all of us impressed. What about you? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. These days, everyone seems to be talking about Shah Rukh Khan and Don 3. Now, we all know that Prissy has played his jungly Billy Roma in the first two innings. But following a ban by Gauri Khan, King Khan will never work with Priyanka Chopra again. So with this, everyone was wondering who would play her role in the film. Well, sources have claimed that the name reigning the list is that of Katrina Kaif. Yes, Kat and SRK were last seen together in the film Zero. And although the film did not do too well at the box office, Katrina's role was well appreciated. And now, more recently, the diva has also replaced PC in Salman Khan's upcoming film Bharat. So it's but natural that she will be the ideal choice for Don 3 as well. So what do you have to say about this? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Shilpa Shetty Kundra and Salman Khan both are fitness freaks, and we have time and again seen their fitness videos inspiring us to work hard. While Shilpa and her yoga videos are a rave and inspire everyone to keep fit even post motherhood. But still, when she was asked to showcase her creativity to create a Twitter bio for Salman Khan, she said that it would be young forever and hot forever. While Shilpa's words resonate, the words of all Salman fans and also those people who have turned towards a healthy and fit lifestyle after being inspired by Salman Khan. That's all for now, but keep watching this space for more such interesting trivia from the world of entertainment. And keep sharing your comments with us in the section below. No one can forget the entertainment and energy of Salman Khan's international concert, The Bang, which are a rocking hit. Well, this year, his brother and show director Sohail Khan has personally flown down to Dubai to share the news that Salman and his team would entertain the UAE masses with their extravagant dance moves and entertainment. Well. Now we all know that Salman has a huge fan following, and ever since this news has broken out, everyone is desperate to be a part of this show. Now, knowing Salman Khan, we can all expect the event to be an out-and-out entertainer. That's all for now, but stay tuned for more updates on the Dabangg tour Reloaded in Dubai, and keep sharing your comments with us in the section below. With barely 2 more days left for the teaser of Salman Khan's upcoming film Bharat to be unveiled, fans are all waiting with bated breath to see how the film fares. Well, early in the day, producer Atul Agnihotri had also shared a small clip giving us a glimpse of the teaser. Wow! Now this was a teaser of the teaser, which actually left us all the more desperate to get more updates on the film. And now the makers have upped the excitement quotient even more by unveiling a new still from the film, where we see a silhouette of Salman Khan facing against the camera, showing thumbs up sign. Now, ever since we have heard this still has surfaced, we are all quite eager to know more about the film and its unusual story. What about you? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.
सवाल आपके घर में आज प्रोटेस्ट था करनी सेना का, उन्होंने कहा है कि उन्हें कोई आपत्ति नहीं है फिल्म रिलीज होने से, क्योंकि वैसे सीन नहीं है जैसे कि आप लोगों ने बताया है, लेकिन उनका कहना है कि जो आपने बयान दिया था कि डिस्ट्रॉय कर दूंगी करनी सेना को, उसके लिए आप माफी मांगे, वो चाह रहे कि आप माफी मांगे, तो आप क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, मैं किसी से माफ़ी नहीं मांगूंगी। माफ़ी मैं कभी किसी चीज़ के लिए नहीं मांगती जिसमें कोई गलती है नहीं, लेकिन हमने उन्हें आश्वासन दिया है कि उसमें कुछ भी ऐसा गलत नहीं है और उन्हें हमारा सहयोग देना चाहिए और फिल्म को जो है वो करना चाहिए, बिकॉज़ वो हमारे भारत की बेटी है, तो सबको मिलकर उस फिल्म को जो है आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए। वो सिर्फ मेरी कोई रिश्तेदार नहीं है, वो पूरे देश की, वो मेरे लिए वही है जो हम सब के लिए है। सो मणिकर्णिका भारत की बेटी है और करनी सेना को भी उनका सहयोग देना चाहिए। और ये फालतू का ईगो इशू मेरे साथ करने की जरूरत नहीं है। मैं यहाँ पे किसी को सॉरी वॉरी कहने के लिए नहीं हूँ।
What is your question?
आपकी फिल्म रिलीज होने में अब कुछ ही दिन बाकी रहे हैं, तो आप
Yes.
What do you want to say regarding that?
नहीं, वेल हम उनको सालगिरह की बहुत शुभकामनाएं देते हैं और महाराष्ट्र में वो एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा उनका लोगों को उनसे प्यार है, उनका सम्मान करते हैं और हम भी अब लिटरली हम भी महाराष्ट्रनी हैं एक तरह से देखा जाए तो। और उसी तरह से रानी लक्ष्मीबाई भी मराठा बेटी हैं और वो भी महाराष्ट्र को ही बिलोंग करती हैं, तो इस बात में कोई दो राय नहीं है कि वो भी इसी मिट्टी पे पैदा हुई हैं, यहीं की जन्मी हुई हैं। सो हम ये चाहते हैं कि दोनों ही जो महान हस्तियां हैं जिन्होंने हमारे जिनके लिए लोगों के दिलों में जगह है, उनके लिए प्यार है, उनको बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
With barely 2 more days left for the teaser of Salman Khan's upcoming film Bharat to be unveiled, fans are all waiting with bated breath to see how the film fares. Well, early in the day, producer Atul Agnihotri had also shared a small clip giving us a glimpse of the teaser. Wow! Now this was a teaser of the teaser, which actually left us all the more desperate to get more updates on the film. And now the makers have struck an emotional chord with all the fans by revealing an emotionally written dialogue from the film, which said, "किसी को घर मिला हिस्से में, किसी के हिस्से दुकान आई। मैं सबसे बड़ा था घर में, मेरे हिस्से में बहन भाई और माँ आई." Now, ever since we've heard this dialogue, we're all quite impressed and eager to know about the perils and struggles of the main protagonist who has progressed with the nation. So, are you excited for this? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Sunil Grover and Shilpa Shinde are close buddies, and they were recently seen hosting the comic show Jio Dhan Dhana Dhan Dhan, which was aired during the IPL season of 2018. And now we hear that Shilpa will soon be seen as a guest at Sunil's show Kanpur Wale Khuranas, where she'll be seen with her new buddy Shrikant, his wife Bhuvneshwari and Sapna Chaudhary. Now after Bigg Boss, this will indeed be an amazing show to enjoy and one which will be full of fun, masti and lot more. So are you excited to see these entertaining guests at the Kanpur Wale Khuranas? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.